name, sir?
Enrique Martin Ayala.
Mr. Ayala, I'm Judge Roberto Garza, sitting here as municipal court judge for the city of San Juan, County of Hidalgo, State of Texas. Before me, magistrate.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Before me, magistrate, on this 4th day of December 2024, appeared Enrique Martin Ayala, and said person was given the following warning by me. You've got 6 charges.
Permission to speak?
Afterwards, I'll answer whatever question you've got, okay? Let's go through, get through this, and then whatever you need to know, I'll ask. First charge is assault. That's a Class C misdemeanor. It's a fine-only offense. You're being charged with criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony. Second charge of criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony. Third charge of criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony. Aggravated robbery, first-degree felony, and resisting arrest, Class A misdemeanor. An affidavit charging you with these offenses has been filed in this court. Do you understand your charges?
Affidavit, what does that mean?
Basically, it's just a statement of facts, okay? I'm going to go ahead and read you your rights. You have the right to hire an attorney and have him or her present to advise you before and during any interview or questioning by police officers or attorneys representing the state. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. Any statement you make may be as evidence in court or at time of your trial. You have the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time. And if you cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to request one be appointed to. And since you have the felony charges, you also have the right to an examining trial.
And then,
You have 4 felony charges. Yes. Do you understand your rights?
understand.
Do you have an attorney, sir?
Not
Are you going to hire one? You want a court-appointed attorney?
appointed.
All right. Very good.
Got a little bit?
Okay, Mr. Ayala. For the Class C assault, it's a fine-only offense, but I do need a plea from you. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
No contest, all right.
You know what?
It's
I want an attorney for it. I don't even know what you're talking about.
guilty, not guilty, or no contest of the assault?
No contest.
No contest, all right. It's a Class C misdemeanor. It's a $433 fine. Window as quickly as you can. For aggravated robbery, first-degree felony, it's going to be a $250,000 cash surety bond. Criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony, $1 million cash surety bond. Criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony, $1 million cash surety bond. Also, the third criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony, $1 million cash surety bond. And resisting arrest, Class A misdemeanor, $5,000 cash surety bond, a total of $3,255,000 cash surety. Okay.
Got it. What am I signing?
All you're signing is that we read you your rights, we read you your charges, and that you understand everything that was read to you.
Why so much press? Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes?
Why so much press?
That was their prerogative. They chose to be here for this arraignment
Why?
because they chose to.
They can. I didn't even know that was a thing. And then after this, we like go to court and everything, right?
Right now, you're going to be transported to the county jail. At that point, you can make contact with an attorney or bondsman to see if they can bond you out. If you can't be bonded out, then you're going to be retained in jail until the day of your formal arraignments.
Okay, so these are my charges pending, and then
Correct.
I'm just signing that I understand my rights and everything.
Correct.
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the fucking show. I'm gonna get the fuck out.
Get out of here.
Hey, did you do it? Did you stab those three
Ma'am,
cops?
ma'am, no question.
Thank you.